How to create your TaxAct account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you create your TaxAct account and start filing your taxes. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open your web browser and go to the official TaxAct website, which is taxact.com, and hit enter. After you get into this login page, look for the sign in or create an account option on the TaxAct website. If you're a new user, you'll likely need to choose the option to create your account. Enter your email address, and this will be your primary email associated with your TaxAct account. And also enter your mobile number for security and password recovery. After that, enter your username, which must include minimum 6 letters. You're also suggested to avoid using your personal information like your name or email. Then after, choose a secure password for your TaxAct account. Ensure that it meets the platform's password requirements for the security, such as minimum 8 characters long, maximum 100 characters allowed, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, 1 symbol, and the password cannot start or end with a space. Now agree to the terms and services and tick on the remember this device if you don't want to enter your password the next time you log in, and simply click on create your account. TaxAct will likely send a verification email to your email address you provided. Check your email inbox for this message and then follow the instructions to verify your email. Once your email is verified, you may be prompted to complete your profile by providing additional information such as your name, address, and other relevant details. TaxAct may offer additional security measures such as security questions or two-factor authentication. Choose the option that suits your preferences and enhance the security of your account. And finally, review and agree to the TaxAct terms and conditions. Make sure to read through any privacy policies or user agreements and follow any additional prompts to complete the account setup process. This may include providing the information about your tax situation, preferences, or opting in and out of certain features. Finally, once your account is set up, you should be able to log in using your email address and password. Always refer to the latest guidance provided by the TaxAct or contact their customer support for the specific instructions on the account creation for the tax year 2024. They will have the most accurate and current information based on updates and changes to their system. This is how you can create your TaxAct account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.